It's nothing particularly exciting today. We've got a C-class with no badges. So we're doing rear brakes on. So you think, oh, that's a bit boring, isn't it? Rear brakes, very miserable. We quote something like 0.6 hours to do this sort of job because it's straightforward. Someone's been here before and they've threaded, see if I can get that to focus. They've threaded the pin retaining hole. They've just sort of smashed that in there and hope for the best. So obviously, this is no good because your caliper will fall off. This is what they sort of should be like down here, nice and solid. Problem we've got now is we've got to get the car off the ramp for a job tomorrow because the caliper housing and the pin are not in stock locally, thanks Mercedes, and they're not going to come until Monday. So we've got to put the caliper back together, we've got to put the car back together, we've got to push it off the ramp, and then it's got to come back on. Now, what do we do in this situation? Do we charge the customer extra work? In this case, I'm not charging any extra labour for this, but 0.6 hours has turned into probably 2 hours. Taking the caliper carrier off is a 10-15 minute job, so it's not that. But you know, it's something to keep in mind when taking your car to an independent. They're more likely to absorb costs like that. Main dealer will just add it onto the bill, and they will just keep going until they need to do what they need to do. So yeah, we're going to do a follow-up video on the CL very shortly, which should be good. I'm going to see if the weather's good because it's been horrible. Nothing like recording something in the rain. So we're going to do that, and we'll touch base soon. So have a good day.